What's up everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. This is probably the most requested video on my channel since I created my channel. I said channel so many times. Wow. Honestly, I just feel like you've already seen my entire room because I vlog a lot. But because you guys still really want to see my room tour, here I am doing it for you. So yeah, let's go to the main entrance of my room. So when you first enter my room, this is what you see. Basically my bed and the window against it. So this is my bedroom ka door. I previously stuck like a red chart paper here and I removed it, and these are the glue remnants. So I learned my lesson not to use glue on doors. And of course I need to get rid of this, but I'm just too lazy to do that. Here we have my bag organizer. I've shared about this on my Amazon finds video. Yes, as you guys can see, it's very useful for me. Nothing much to say. I have a very bad bag collection, so let's not talk about this, but just know that these are the bags that I use more, and the ones behind I don't use them as much. Now this side we have my footwear organizer. I shared about this in my Club Factory video if I'm not wrong. If you have a small space, this is just perfect to organize and display your footwear if you have a good footwear collection. I don't. Empty slots, I use it to keep very miscellaneous stuff. I have my DIY hot bag here. I also have a lint roller here, so just random things. I have my pink dustbin in this corner. Right when you enter the door, on the left side you will find this. It's actually a seat, but I use it as a table. This is actually storage space also. You can open this and again, miscellaneous stuff inside. I just mainly use this to keep my phone and nothing else. This was originally in this dark brown or this dark brown shade. I wanted my room to look brighter, which is why I had to spray paint all my old furniture like this one in white so that it matches the entire vibe that I'm going for. Beside the shoe rack, you will find my main wardrobe section. I also store my shoes in the bottom drawer. I'm not going to open all the drawers because they're very messy, especially my clothes. It's high time I reorganize them. Once I declutter and reorganize them, I might give you guys a wardrobe tour if that's something you're interested. Let me know in the comments. The last section has all my makeup stuff, even some camera things. I did do a makeup organization video so you guys can see how this drawer has been organized, so I'm not going to go into that again, so just watch that video if you're interested. Also, I'm not particularly fond of the color of my wardrobe because like I said, I wanted like the entire lighter and brighter look to my room by having like white accents to them, but clearly this is not white. I would probably do that in the future, but as of now it's brown. It's the part of my room that I don't look at much because it doesn't give me happiness the way the other parts of the room make me happy. This is my bed. Wow, amazing. This cot is decades and decades old. I'm not sure if you can see, but I also got this spray painted in white. Even the mattress is like really old. I love this comforter of mine. I'm honestly forgetting where this is from. My mom got it from somewhere. I'll put it on the screen during editing. Another thing I love about this comforter is that you can use it both ways. Sometimes I have the blue thing out and sometimes I have the pink one. It really doesn't matter to me, whichever side I fold, that's it. So today it just happened to be blue. Of course, Mr. Caterpillar is here. I love hugging a stuffed toy and sleeping. I just feel like I have to hug something when I sleep. I honestly love my curtain. It is this beige color curtain and it has very pretty patterns of baby pink and white and has a sheen to it, so it looks really pretty. Also, I have this really cute pink rug which is slightly dirty now, so I'm not going to zoom in. It's just a simple fluffy rug which I got from At Home. I just love that whenever I wake up in the morning, my feet don't touch the cold floor and they touch this really soft pink rug. Now moving on to this side. What's up guys? Yeah, it's just a full-length mirror. That's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say. Right beside the mirror, I have my Ink Bucket calendar. I did share about this in my Ink Bucket haul video. I'm tracking my Korean lessons and my workout here, and you guys can see I am slaying it. Yep, I just feel this calendar is the cutest addition to my room. That door leads to my bathroom, and this is actually a plastic balloon that lights up. You guys can see I've actually put it in my handbag. This is the handbag I use a lot, and this is just a random metal chair which I wish was in white as well. I forgot to spray paint this. And here I have the backpacks that I use a lot. I'm honestly forgetting where I got most of the things from, so I'll just keep putting it on the screen. And behind this I have my Decathlon workout bag which I don't use anymore because I'm not going to the gym as of now. And guys, we have the favorite part of my room. I'm literally sitting here for the majority of the day, so yeah, I better love this area. I'm not going to go in detail about this because I've done a detailed desk tour video, but here's an update. I have this really cute specs holder which I did share in one of my vlogs. I always need to have my water. These are books I've arranged, my study books, mental health books, and my planners, organizers, work stuff. And here I have a sanitizer, lip balm, my earpods, my speaker, my life savior, my daily to-do list. Before getting this to-do list, I used to just have sticky notes, and I have my Ink Bucket planner. This is a Kanban board which I have again spoken about in my previous videos. It's empty empty now because my goals have drastically changed since I made the Kanban board, so I have to redo the entire thing. And this is actually my bookshelf, which I will show you in a while. I've just put 2 quotes here. I got this with my Simreli merch. It says, "You're special, you matter, and you're worth it." I love it. And I got this when I bought from Bubble Farm, and that's just the most random thing, but it's so pretty. It's a pink glitter feather that I got from Chickpate in Bangalore. Of course, I have my laptop, which honestly speaking is always open. I just closed it for the video. The ugly parts of my table, which I've hidden very nicely thanks to the amazing table that I got. I of course have 2 drawers where I store all my stationery and important stuff, which you can watch in the desk tour video. I'm in love with this office chair. My brother got it from his office actually. It's a very basic office chair, but oh my god, it's so comfortable and it reclines a lot. And of course I've put this faux white fabric on top so that it matches with the rest of my room. I got this from an Instagram store called Jyoti Jia Store. Now moving to another favorite part of mine. I love this corner in my room. Wait, I'll go a little far so you guys can see better. This actually has like a big history behind this. We bought this as a crockery shelf for our living room long ago, and it was a dark brown color, and now finally it's in my room. If you've been a long subscriber of mine, you would have seen in my older videos this used to be brown, and I actually used to use this as a study table because the one I showed is actually a new table that I purchased. So this was my study table. It was very uncomfortable. These 2 parts are separable. I had this part instead of my study right there, and this part was kept here only, but it was of course much lower. I am just obsessed with it just because I DIY'd it, got it spray painted, and now I'm using it as a bookshelf. It's also my craft corner, so I have all my DIY craft stuff in the bottom half of this. This is where I store all my craft stuff, even these 2 drawers. Now the main section here, I have a calendar and I have this table lamp behind, which is too bright, so I don't use it as a table lamp, but I think it still goes with my decor and looks really cute. I put these random flowers I got from somewhere in the lamp. I have my Bible here, my cute rose gold clock is there, and beside it I have my essential scented candle here. I also have my eye mask here. My best friend Shivangi got this, and I think I did a haul with this in my Pondicherry vlog. I don't use eye masks at home. I use it only when I'm traveling. I got this from Goa. These are rose quartz. I have this battery powered yellow fairy light here, and of course I have the battery powered purple fairy lights. Both of these were gifted to me by my cousin from UK. I'm sure you can get these in India as well. Now behind this you'll just find 3 of my family pictures. Now when you go above, these are all my books. Open it and show you. Yeah, these are all my books. Actually, not all my books, but most of my books are here. The bottom section is for all my non-fiction self-help books. I also have this Polaroid album. Some random cute gifts that I got from my student. My friend Esho gave me that. Even behind there are more like psychology related books. Behind I think I have all the literature classics. Yeah, I have a lot of books. Oops. Now above this are all my fiction books. Many of these are actually during my teenage years. I used to be obsessed with Twilight. That's just one of the series I was obsessed with. You can see Babysitter's Club, there's all Secret 7, Enid Blyton stuff, like everything is there. Behind this also there are lot of books which I'm not going to get into now. And of course I have my favorite little pink Polaroid, which I don't think is working anymore. And above that is a messy section because those are like older comics, encyclopedia, dictionary, stuff like that. That is actually a very special memory. It's a piggy bank. Here I have another artwork from my friend Eshu. This is so pretty. Above that I have a lot of things which I'm not going to show you guys because those are just like trophies and some random stuffed toys. The artwork that you see is actually made by my mom. It's thread work and I just find it really pretty, so I've just put it there. So yeah, that is my bookshelf. Beside it, you will see another very random thing. This is actually when I turned 22, I made a video on my channel and I used this balloon for that, and it's just been here since then. So yeah, this is the other side of the room that I just showed you guys. Of course, beside this we have the main wall, and I keep getting asked about where I got this beautiful green hanging from. It's actually from Lulu Mall in Kochi, and I just find it like such a pretty accent to my otherwise very plain white wall. About the wall, this is actually a wallpaper I've done. It's a marble finish. It does have slight glitter if you can see closely enough. So it shines a bit and I find it very, very pretty. My wall used to be a pink color, which my older subscribers would know from my older videos. I have to say I just love my room infinitely more after I've made all these changes of spray painting my furniture white and getting this wallpaper and this hanging on my wall. I love this entire space that I have. It's actually pretty spacious. I don't think the camera is capturing it, but I just find this space so useful while shooting or even working out. If I have to do some at-home workouts or choreograph a little, dance a bit, it's just much easier to have such a big space in the center of my room than previously when my vertical bed was sort of blocking and taking up most of the space. So I feel this change that I made from shifting the vertical bed from there to horizontally there against the window is one of the best decisions I've taken for my room. So that's my room tour, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Is my room the most fanciest? No. Is it the cutest? No. Is it the most clean? No. But I love my room. I'm obsessed with it. I feel it's completely my vibe. There are a couple of things, like I said, the wardrobe, I'd like to change the color of that, etc. But honestly, whatever I do have, I'm just really happy, grateful and content with it. And that's about it. I'm just so happy that this video has been sitting on top of my head for years and I finally decided to do it. So yeah, I think this video deserves a thumbs up. Okay guys, I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, positive and blessed. Bye.
What a wonderful world.